किसमें अच्छी हूँ? आई डोंट नो। डू आई लाइक डांसिंग और डू आई लाइक राइटिंग? नहीं नहीं नहीं, मेरे को घूमना ज्यादा पसंद है। ओके, दीज आर द कॉमन थिंग्स दैट वी डू नॉट थिंक एट ऑल, जिस बारे में हम सोचते भी नहीं है कभी। ये वो चीजें हैं जिसके बारे में हम कभी दिमाग ही नहीं लगाते हैं। एंड व्हाई इज दैट? बिकॉज वी आर नॉट सेल्फ अवेयर ऑफ आवर सेल्फ। हम इतनी चीजों में बिजी हो जाते हैं, खुद को लेकर, लोगों को लेकर, चीजों को लेकर, कि हम खुद के बारे में, खुद की लाइफ के बारे में, खुद के इंस्टेंसेस के बारे में, खुद के स्ट्रेंथ्स, वीकनेसेस, गोल्स, एस्पिरेशंस, प्राउड फीलिंग्स, क्लोज्ड वंस, हम इन बारे में सोचते ही नहीं है कभी। Hello, I am Brahmi Chhalani and welcome to Build with Brahmi, and today we will be discussing how to be more self-aware. हम अपने बारे में self-aware कैसे हो सकते हैं और self-aware होना क्यों ज़रूरी है. So first we will be discussing why being self-aware is more important, and साथ में मिलकर कुछ activities करेंगे जिससे हम खुद को ज़्यादा अच्छे से जान सकें.
Stay connected till the end so that you can stay tuned with the activities जो हम साथ में मिलकर करेंगे.
चलिए, let's go on towards knowing ourselves better, but before that do like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel to stay tuned with the upcoming videos. Ring the bell icon ताकि आपको हमारी वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस आते रहें और आप हमें कंटिन्यू फॉलो कर सकें. चलिए, सेल्फ अवेयरनेस जरूरी क्यों है? Someone asks me कि Brahmi, tell me something you're really good at, and if I'm not self-aware I would be like, okay, what is it? नहीं, नहीं. Maybe writing? No, 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 no. I guess I'm good at dancing. And then there are so many confusions कि सामने वाला already समझ जाएगा कि ठीक है, इसको तो कुछ पता ही नहीं है. And if you know what you're good at, let's say if someone asks me कि what you are good at, and I say कि I can connect with people very nicely. This confidence that's there when I'm talking about कि मेरे में क्या चीज अच्छी है, shows कि मेरे को पता है कि मेरे बारे में. Being self-aware gives you an idea कि आपके अंदर अच्छा क्या है, ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जिस पे आपको काम करना जरूरी है. मतलब ऐसे कौन से एरियाज इन योर लाइफ, इन योर एकेडमिक, पर्सनल, प्रोफेशनल लाइफ हैं जिन पे आपको काम करना जरूरी है, जिन पे आप वर्क करके उनको और एनहांस कर सकते हैं. ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जो ऑलरेडी आप में बहुत अच्छी है. I mean, अगर मेरे को कोई डांस करने बोल दे, and that is where I can set my impression. And if I do something which I am not very good at, let's say I'm doing hip hop and I'm not very good at hip hop, then people see and people like, huh, you just mentioned कि आप बहुत अच्छे हो डांस में, you don't seem like it. Let's dive into the activities which will make you or help you to be aware about yourself. So I will ask you certain questions, and with every question I'll give you 15 seconds of time to think about certain activities or certain areas or certain answers to that question. Okay, let's go. Here is my first question to you. What is your biggest flex? मतलब ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जो आप हमेशा फ्लेक्स करना पसंद करते हो कि अरे ये तो मेरे दाएं हाथ का खेल है. Your time starts now. Okay, I hope you could answer that. It is very much important. If you have answered it, trust me, this is one thing, one basic, very basic thing that we must know. And हमें पता होना चाहिए कि हम हर टाइम क्या फ्लेक्स करना पसंद करते हैं. Okay, here goes my second question to you. Name 2 strengths and 2 weaknesses in you. Your time starts now. Okay, time is up and I hope you could answer that question as well. अगर नहीं आया है तो try thinking about it a lot. You can pause the video and then you can think about 2 strengths and 2 weaknesses inside you. Third question for you people. What is that one activity जो आपको calm feel करने में help करती है? That makes you feel calmness inside you. Your time starts now. Okay, time is up. I hope you must have found 2 or 3 strategies which actually makes you feel calmer whenever you are anxious. Now, this particular question ka answer, whatever you have found, is something that you can do when you are sad, when you are anxious, when you are not feeling like it, and when you are feeling all the negative emotions. Next question for you all. What is that outfit which makes you feel the most confident? Your time starts now. Time is up. Now this particular question का answer whatever you have got, आप next time जब भी किसी important meeting, किसी भी important individual से मिलने जा रहे हो या फिर किसी भी event पे जा रहे हो, you can actually wear that particular outfit और उस category के outfit, if you have chosen a particular category, उस particular category के outfit पहन सकते हो, which will make you feel more confident, because often style is something that shows your attitude. तो अगर हम वो कपड़े पहन रहे हैं जिसमें हम ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट फील करते हैं तो ऑटोमेटिकली हाफ ऑफ मी इज ऑलरेडी आउट देयर शाइनिंग. The rest is with the thing that I will deliver, or the rest is with the body language and etiquette that I would show it to people. Alright, last question for you today is, if you had to summarize your life in one line, what would that line be? अगर आपको आपकी लाइफ को एक लाइन में समराइज करना है तो वो लाइन क्या होगी? Your time starts now. Time is up. I hope you found this answer. Your task for the day is to actually think about this particular line and its associated reasons कि why did you actually say this line, and इसके associated reasons क्या हो सकते हैं ये आप find out करें. It will give you a lot of insight about your own life and it will make you a lot self-aware about you. So yes, give yourself that time to understand and to hover upon this particular line that you have said that defines your life. Bye. Stay happy, stay healthy. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my video to stay updated. And please ring the bell icon ताकि आपको हर वीडियो के notifications आते रहें. Bye bye.